Hi everyone, a few of you have been asking about how you can remove your blade from the TC Pro M as well as attach your butterfly and the blade cover. So I thought I would do a really quick video for you to show you how easy it actually is. So let's get straight to it. Okay, so first step, get your TC Pro bowl. You'll see that the blades are in there and just to let you know, they are very, very sharp. So never put your hand in there. What you should do instead, one second, get a tea towel or any kind of towel or cloth that you may have. And every time you put your hand in here, you're gonna wanna put the towel in as well. This is gonna protect your fingers from getting cut because these blades are very good. So the downside of a very good blade is that it will cut you very easily. So once you put your towel in there, as you can see, put your hand there and you will see at the bottom there is actually a lock, right? So what you're gonna have to do to take the blades off is to think lefty loosey, right? Remember lefty loosey. So simply hold it and turn it to the left. It's very, very simple and you'll be able to pull it out. Use the towel and take the blade out. Now, to put it back in, just do the reverse, right? So put the blade in, put your hand in with a towel, and now we're gonna remember righty-tighty. So lefty-loosey and righty-tighty. Put this back on, let's go right. And your blade is locked in place. So another question I've had actually is how you put the butterfly on, right? So it's really simple. A lot of people are confused as to whether you take the blade out when you put the butterfly or the blade cover on. You do not do that. So you're gonna have to keep the blade in. Otherwise, there's nothing for the butterfly and the blade cover to rest on. It's really simple. Again, align that middle bit with the middle bit on the blade. And you just want to press in, right? I'm going to do it down here because it's easier. Until it's locked. It just sits in there really easily, right? It's firm, it's not loose. And then you can go ahead and use the butterfly for a whipping cream or whatever. The same thing with the blade cover. So I'm just going to go grab that. One second. Right, so this is the blade cover. It's simple. So you see how the blades are shaped? Well, the blade cover is basically a clone of that, but to cover the blades. So you're gonna wanna align the contours of your blade cover. And what you're gonna do, follow the shape, and you just press it in until it pops. It doesn't take more than 2 seconds. It doesn't take a lot of force or effort. And there you have it. And to remove it, just simply pull it out. It's so easy. So yeah, that's how you have it. If a recipe says put the blade cover on, then put the blade cover on. If a recipe says attach the butterfly, just attach the butterfly. And if I were you, I would probably remove the blades each and every time so that you can get it really clean. A great tip is to put some water in the TC Pro and then set it to like speed 4 or 5 and just let the blades run with the water. It'll clean your bowl properly and then you can just run the rest of it under the tap. And let us know if you have any other questions and I'll be more than happy to make you a video. So until next time, see ya!